Hello, and thank you for your interest in my Notion template for online teachers. Let's take a look at how you can get yourself organized. The first thing you have to do is have a Notion account. After you sign in, click the duplicate button at the top right-hand corner. Then click on Mission Control. Here you will find your student folders and your resources. Click on Students to open the page. Click on Sample Student Jane, and it will open to a new page. Make sure you duplicate this for each student. Here you will find information about your student. Click on Lessons to go to the next page. Here you will find each lesson, planned or done in a board view. You can also add more views by clicking on the plus sign. Clicking on the board will take you to the planned or completed lesson. And that's how you keep everything organized for your online language teaching. Stress-free. I hope you enjoy this Notion template.